In a world consumed by the pursuit of fleeting pleasures and external validation, relationships often bear the brunt of our unmanaged emotions and unrealistic expectations. Enter Stoicism, an ancient philosophy that, despite its age, offers profoundly relevant wisdom for navigating the complexities of human connection in the 21st century. Stoicism reminds us that true happiness and fulfillment stem not from external circumstances, but from our own thoughts and reactions to the world around us. Applying Stoic principles to our relationships empowers us to cultivate deeper connections built on a foundation of understanding, resilience, and mutual respect. By embracing Stoic principles, we can transform our relationships from sources of stress and uncertainty into havens of peace and mutual growth. At its core, Stoicism teaches us to focus on what we can control, our own thoughts and actions, and accept with equanimity what we cannot. This simple yet powerful principle has the potential to revolutionize the way we approach our interactions with others. When we free ourselves from the need to control outcomes or change the behavior of others, we create space for empathy, compassion, and genuine connection to flourish. Stoicism encourages us to view challenges as opportunities for growth, transforming potential conflicts into opportunities for deeper understanding and strengthening our bonds. By embracing the tenets of Stoicism, we embark on a journey of self-discovery that enriches not only our own lives, but also the lives of those we love. At the heart of Stoicism lie several key principles that, when applied to relationships, can profoundly enhance their quality and depth. One such principle is empathy, the ability to understand and share the feelings of another. Stoicism teaches us to look beyond our own perspectives and strive to see the world through the eyes of our loved ones. By cultivating empathy, we bridge the gap between individuals, fostering a sense of shared understanding and emotional connection. Patience, another cornerstone of Stoic philosophy, plays a vital role in nurturing healthy relationships. In the face of disagreements or challenging situations, patience allows us to respond with calmness and understanding rather than reacting impulsively. It empowers us to give our loved ones the space they need to navigate their own emotions and find their way back to a place of equilibrium. Rationality, the third pillar of Stoic relationships, encourages us to approach conflicts and challenges with a clear and logical mind. Instead of allowing emotions to dictate our reactions, Stoicism guides us to pause, assess the situation objectively, and respond in a way that is both compassionate and constructive. By grounding our interactions in reason, we create a space for productive dialogue and mutual growth. The true power of Stoicism lies not in its theoretical concepts, but in its practical application to everyday life. Imagine a couple facing a difficult decision about their future. Instead of succumbing to anxiety and fear, they approach the situation with Stoic principles in mind. They acknowledge their limited control over external circumstances and focus on what they can control, their own attitudes and responses. They practice empathy by actively listening to each other's perspectives, acknowledging the validity of each other's feelings and seeking to understand the underlying needs and motivations driving their individual viewpoints. They exercise patience by giving each other the space to process their emotions without judgment or interruption, recognizing that finding a solution takes time and understanding. By embracing rationality, they approach the decision-making process with a clear and logical mindset, gathering all necessary information, carefully weighing the potential outcomes, and choosing a course of action that aligns with their shared values and long-term goals. Integrating Stoic principles into our relationships is not about achieving a state of perfect emotional detachment or suppressing our feelings. Rather, it is about cultivating a space of awareness and intentionality in our interactions with others. It is about responding to challenges with wisdom and compassion, rather than reacting impulsively. Here are a few practical tips for incorporating Stoic principles into your daily interactions. Practice mindfulness. Cultivate the habit of observing your thoughts and emotions without judgment. This awareness enables you to identify triggers and choose more constructive responses. Focus on what you can control. When faced with relationship challenges, focus on your own actions and reactions rather than trying to change or control your partner. Practice empathy daily. Make a conscious effort to see the world from your loved one's perspective. seeking to understand their feelings and motivations. Exercise patience. Give your partner the space they need to process their emotions, especially during disagreements. Avoid interrupting or rushing to find a solution. Communicate with clarity and kindness. Choose your words carefully, expressing your needs and feelings assertively but respectfully. Avoid blaming, shaming, or attacking. By embracing the principles of Stoicism, we embark on a journey of self-discovery and personal growth that naturally spills over into our relationships. As we learn to navigate our own emotions with greater awareness and resilience, we create a ripple effect that touches the lives of those around us. In a world often characterized by superficiality and fleeting connections, Stoicism offers a timeless roadmap for cultivating relationships that are deeper, stronger, and more fulfilling.